Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by closing open folders and saving work to avoid data loss. This frees Explorer to reset cleanly. Next, open File Explorer and go straight to View Options so you can access folder options. If View Options isn't visible, make sure to open Control Panel and choose File Explorer Options. This is the same dialog. Once the dialog is open, you'll be ready to reset view settings and advanced options. Proceed only after confirming you have admin access, if prompted. You should use the View tab to click Reset Folders to apply the default view for that folder type, and then choose Restore Defaults to revert any custom settings system-wide. This undoes View templates and sorts. After that, switch to the General tab and click Clear File Explorer History to remove cached folder paths. This prevents old settings from reappearing. Make sure to apply each change. If you need specific behavior, manually toggle Show Hidden Files or File Extensions now and hit Apply once more. Finish by restarting Windows Explorer in Task Manager. Select Windows Explorer, click Restart, and that forces the new settings to load. Once done, verify folder views, sort orders, and hidden file visibility match expectations. If issues persist, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, or create a new user profile to determine if corruption is user-specific. These steps repair damaged configurations. Make sure to document any adjustments so you can reapply preferred settings quickly next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.